Hi, this is Sarah from One-Eyed Cat Online Marketing, and in our continued series of videos talking about the Google Ads Ultimate Checklist for e-commerce, we are still in the kind of campaign setup part of the checklist, and now we're moving on to campaign settings. So the question today is, are you targeting one country per campaign? So it's very easy especially if you have an international audience and if you're e-commerce and you ship worldwide or you ship across Europe or whatever, it's very tempting to set up your campaigns to target all those countries sort of in one go. The best way to set up your campaigns is to have one campaign per country. It makes it easier to optimize, it makes the messaging easier because obviously there are slight obviously there are language differences between the UK and say Europe or France or Germany, but even if it's the UK and the US, there are still subtle language differences where you'll want to write your ads slightly different for the two audiences. Spellings are the perfect example there. For shopping campaigns, you have to have different feeds anyway for different countries, so you have no choice but to target separate countries. But this also applies to search campaigns and to some extent display remarketing campaigns as well. So I just want to show you quickly something inside the dashboard to show you another little trick to help you stop wasting spend on, even if you are targeting one country, there's a little setting that you need to change to stop you from still getting traffic from random countries all over the world. So we'll just jump into the interface here. So I'm just in the test campaign here, and I'm going to go into this hiking boots campaign here. And so if you want, this is where you go if you want to set your location targeting and if you just want to check what you've got. So you go into the campaign and then click on settings, and then you'll go to your locations here. So as you can see, I'm just targeting the one location, which is the United Kingdom here. But you need to take this step as well, which is to click on the location options button here. Now the default will be set to people in or who show interest in your targeted location. Surprisingly enough, that's the recommended Google option, but we all know what the reason why Google recommends some options, because it makes you spend more money. But what you need to do is change it to people in your targeted location. Okay, so that's a really important step to take, because if you don't do this, they will still show your ad like in every country across the world. And I suspect if you go in and have a look and you haven't had that set, you've had it set on this, you'll see traffic coming from all sorts of weird and wonderful places. So make sure you check that, people in your targeted location, hit save, and then you should be good to go to only show your ads in the country that you are targeting. So that's today's checklist item. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel for updates on the next videos in the series. There's a link underneath this video to download the full checklist. So if you want to go and do that and get everything all in one go, then please do that. If you have any questions, comment below the video, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Take care now.